In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel TickTick subscription. We'll walk through a simple process that takes you straight to TickTick's official guidance so you can follow the exact instructions that match your situation. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TickTick payment and upgrades. This search takes you to TickTick's own support resources rather than third-party articles, which helps you avoid outdated or inaccurate directions. In the results, click the official TickTick page titled Payment and Upgrades. You'll recognize it as part of TickTick's Help or Support Center. This page groups all billing and subscription topics in one place, which is where TickTick keeps the most current information. Once you're on the Payment and Upgrades page, look for the article titled How Do I Cancel My TickTick Premium and click it. That article is the hub for cancellation details. After you open it, you'll see a clear step-by-step guide. Read the page carefully and follow the section that applies to how you originally subscribed. Here's why that matters. Cancellation steps are different depending on whether you subscribe through the Apple App Store, Google Play, or directly on TickTick's website. App Store and Google Play manage their own billing, so their steps happen in your device account settings, while web subscriptions are handled inside your TickTick account. The article lays out each path, so use the instructions that match your purchase source. If you're not sure where you subscribed, the article typically explains how to check, and your receipts or bank statement can help you confirm. A few tips as you go. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you start, since subscriptions are tied to the account that purchased them. When you complete the cancellation in the correct place, you're stopping auto-renewal going forward. Your current premium access usually remains active until the end of your existing billing period. Look for a confirmation message or email after you cancel, and consider taking a quick screenshot for your records. If you run into anything unexpected, return to the same help article from TickTick's payment and upgrades page to double-check the exact steps, since app interfaces and store policies can change. And if you need a refund or billing adjustment, note that those requests are handled by the platform where you subscribed. Follow the official article's instructions, confirm cancellation, and you're done. That's the most reliable way to cancel your TickTick subscription quickly and correctly.